Following their heroic act on Thursday, where they defeated Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA, Harbour will be looking for another giant-killing display when they host leaders Montego Bay United in the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League at the compound on Sunday.
After losing to Spanish Town Police, their fellow relegation zone partners, Harbour had hit a low. So down were the Stars of the East that the only way they could go from that is up. Well, they answered the call with a 1-0 win over powerhouse Mount Pleasant FA. Now they are staring in the face of leaders Montego Bay United, hoping to continue the Houdini act.
You know, we just have to come out here with the same energy. They set a precedence now, so I'll be looking for this performance every game. You know, and we have to start it from in the training, as I say. Most of the thing now is try to motivate them, try and get them to understand their roles. And I think we can get a good result on Sunday also.
Third place, the Portmore United will be at home to the improved Waterhouse. Waterhouse's record of 4 wins and a draw over the last 5 matches is only matched by Montego Bay United. Portmore have not lost over that period either and have 3 wins on the trot to boast. They are looking to add another tick in the W column.
Definitely. The most important thing is to approach each game positive and score our chances when we get them. You know, that's the only way we can do it. If we don't score goals and don't stop goals from scoring, you know, you can't win football matches.
Elsewhere, title holders Cavalier will host Malines United at the Stadium East Field. Tivoli Gardens will be at home to Mount Pleasant FA, and Dunbeholden entertain Treasure Beach at the Dunbeholden Field.